Hello everyone, this video is for parents and students alike who want to schedule a session, especially if you've never used our scheduling website before. So first go to 1stChoiceTutors.com and then you're going to go to the scheduling tab. Once you're in the scheduling tab, you'll find this form where you can select all the settings that fit to your description. So high school algebra 1, and I'm going to choose Eddie as a sample tutor. You don't really want to mess or need to mess with this bottom part with the dates. Just leave that all checked and click next. On this next page, what we are looking at is Eddie's calendar and the availability that he has. So for example, let's say we wanted to book a Friday, say at 4 p.m. So I'm going to select the 4 p.m. slot. If you want to repeat this every Friday at the same time, click on the repeat this appointment box and then change this to weekly and then however many times you'd like to repeat it. But since we're not doing that, I'm just going to uncheck that and click next. On the next page, this one is for if you want to book another appointment on a different date and time. So if you click on book appointment, it'll run you through that same form where you can make your selections again and come back through this process. But for now, we'll skip that. So I'm going to click next. Here is where you enter your information: name, last name, phone number, your email, and any notes that you want to include for us tutors to see on the back end. And you also have to click on this I agree to the terms of service to be able to click next. The next screen is where you make your payment. You have two options. You can either select I will pay when I come in, which is the default setting, or if you want to pay while you're checking out, for convenience, you can click on card info and enter your credit card information here. But for now, I'll click on I will pay when I come in and click next. The next screen is where you get the confirmation. If your booking is successful, you will have this message: thank you for your bookly. Thank you for booking. Your booking is complete. An email with the details of your booking has been sent to you. So in the email that you're going to be receiving, in fact, you'll get two emails. One of them will look like this, which is the tutoring appointment confirmation. It'll say the date and time, and if you're joining through Zoom, it's a virtual session, you'll have a Zoom link right there. The second email will be notifying you of your newly created account with your login, with the username and your password. So use that in the future. So if I use my login for this, I can log in with my username and password newly created. And when I scroll down here, you can see the 4 p.m. session that I just booked. Under that scheduling tab, right below that form, you see your appointments. And you can actually cancel the appointment right from this same place. So for now, I'm just going to leave it at that. And that is how you schedule an appointment